Welcome to Neil Sullivan Sons Guide to Erecting a Fence. Tools you will need. Step 1. Use a string line to mark out where you intend to construct the fence. Step 2. Using bamboo canes, mark out where your fence post will sit. Make sure you measure the spacing between each post. Use the dimensions of the posts and panels you intend on using. Step 3. One at a time, take your canes out and dig a hole 450mm deep for your fence posts to sit in. If you soak the base of each post in wood preservative the day before, it will help prolong the life of the timber. Step 4. Once you have placed the two end posts in the ground, run a string line from one post to the other. This acts as a guide for the other post that will sit in between, keeping them all at the same height. Here's a tip: at regular intervals, use a spirit level to check your posts are upright. Step 5. Once you have placed all your posts into the ground, peg each one into the ground to keep them stable. Step 6. Next, fix the clips onto your fence posts. This is what you will slot your fence panels into. They need to be fixed 150mm from the top of the post and 150mm from the bottom on each side. Step 7. Slide in your panels using an object at the bottom to hold them in position while you fix them into the clips. We recommend wearing gloves as the wood can cause splinters. Step 8. Now it's time to fix your posts. Pour water into the base and then add your concrete. Mix it thoroughly with a long piece of wood so that it covers all areas of the base. Top tip: as the concrete is drying, use a trowel to smooth it up toward the base so that it creates an incline. Now your fence is finished, you can allow it to weather naturally, or alternatively, you can stain or paint it to bring some colour to your garden. For any more helpful tips and guides, please visit our resource centre on our website by visiting the link below. Neil Sullivan Sons, Essex #1 concrete and aggregate supplier.